Hi, it's Krista with WTI. Have you ever been told that you smell delicious? Well, with this pink sugar eau de toilette perfume, you are sure to attract a lot of attention in a good way. Let me tell you a little bit about why this perfume has been a signature scent of mine now for over 10 years. The sweet scent of this perfume really never gets old or boring. It's a beautiful blend of vanilla, marshmallow, and cotton candy, but not in an overpowering way that makes you feel nauseous. It's really just something that's long-lasting and can be worn during the day or at night to make you feel beautiful and make others look twice to see who smells so wonderful in the room. I've been wearing this scent for so long at large events, at conventions, at places where people might be a little sensitive and you want to be aware if it causes headaches or is too strong. And I've never had anyone complain, only compliments. They come up to me and say, I've been looking for the person in the room that's wearing that scent. It's you, what is it? So if you're looking for a new perfume that will give you that beautiful, soft, vanilla-y, sweet scent, try out this perfume by Pink Sugar. You are sure to be happy with your choice, and that's my point of view.